This video describes how you would manipulate and use the ducting database. So again, databases, database itself. We then open up a new database. So File, New or Open gives you the choice of either creating your own or opening one. So if we opt to open a database, this takes us into the DB folder where all the databases are held, and we select ducting. We then select the database of interest, open that up, and that gives us a range of different shapes and sizes of ductwork in ascending order, grouped by their shape type. You can see here the roughness depending on the shape, type of ductwork, and the U values to whether they're insulated or not. You'll notice some greyed out columns, maximum flow rate and maximum velocity. That's because the overriding entry method was pressure drop. The engineer that set this database up decided that 1 Pascal per meter was the maximum pressure drop for that particular type, shape and size of ductwork. Now if you want to vary that, you can go to the edit menu, select your data entry method and select either flow. Making a change to the flow would then change the pressure drop. Changing the velocity will change the maximum flow rate and pressure drop, or as before, having a pressure drop. So for example, if I was to enter 2 pascals per meter here, press the tab key, that updates the resulting velocity and maximum flow rate for the given size. A word of warning: once you have created a project using this specific database, so for example, if I'd used a database Duct General 2021 on a project and I reorder the sizes, that will cause me problems. Because for example, if the program had selected a duct at position number 3 in the database, if that then duct in position 3 moves to somewhere else, it would then just pick up the size and shape of ductwork from the existing position 3, so it would present you with problems. So the only time you should ever reorder sizes is when you're creating a brand new database to manage your database. To add a new size to the database, simply select the Add Size button, decide on the shape choice, decide on the size, and then decide on your overriding pressure drop, and the unknowns are calculated. File, Save, that saves the database, and then File, Exit.